setup for obtaining various images for a convex lens. This position L shows the position of the lens where lens is to be kept, and F1 and F2 are the two foci. 2F1 and 2F2 are the respective positions of the center of curvature of the lens. So this is the setup. This candle is our object, and we have kept a convex lens on the stand, and we have taken a white screen in order to obtain the images. Here we light the candle, which is our object, and now we shift the candle or the object very far away, that means at infinity. So what I'm doing is I'm placing the candle very far away, and now I see that on the white screen I obtain a point sized, that means very small image here of this object. A point sized image of the object is being obtained on the screen when the object is kept at infinity. If you see it in the dark, it will be clearer. So we obtain a very small or highly diminished image of the object, and it is an inverted image. So this is when the screen is kept at focus. So when an object is at infinity, a diminished, highly diminished image is being formed at focus on the other side. Now I have shifted the candle a little nearer. This time it is little nearer than infinity, but beyond 2f1, which is the second case. So now the candle is kept beyond 2f1, and we see that the image on the screen, an inverted image, and it is smaller than the object. The object means the candle flame is larger, while its image, which is being seen on the screen, is smaller. So again, in this situation also, a diminished image is being formed, and as you see, this image is also inverted. The candle flame as seen on the screen is appears to be inverted as compared to the actual object, that is the actual candle flame. So here, when the object, that means our candle, when it is kept beyond 2f1, it's inverted and diminished. Diminished means smaller image is formed on the other side on the screen, and it is between f2 and 2f2. So when the object is kept beyond 2f1, the image formed is between f2 and 2f2. It is real and inverted and diminished, that means smaller than the object. It is clearer if you observe it in the dark. Next, I have shifted the candle, that means our object, at 2f1. See, and I observe that its sharp inverted image of the candle flame, a sharp inverted image of the candle flame is being formed on the screen on the other side, and it is an inverted image, real image, and it is same size as the object. So we observe that when the object is kept at 2f1, its real inverted image of the same size is formed at 2f2, that is on the other side of the lens. And when we see it in the dark, it is something like this, a better view. Now I have shifted our object, that is the candle, between f1 and 2f1, as you can see. Now the object is placed between f1 and 2f1, and we see that an enlarged real and inverted image is being formed on the screen. See, so this, so the image here, image of the candle flame here is larger than the actual candle flame. It is real, and real because it is being obtained on the screen obviously, and it is inverted, and it is being formed beyond 2f2, as you can see, after 2f2. So when our object is kept between f1 and 2f1, a real inverted and enlarged image is formed by the convex lens beyond 2f2. And a better view of the same in the dark. What a beautiful real inverted image being formed. Now I have kept the object, that is the candle, at f1, it means focus, and we see that a real inverted and highly enlarged image of the object is being formed very far away on a wall, very far away or at very large distance from the lens. So when the object is kept at focus here, then a highly enlarged real and inverted image is being formed at very large distances, or we can say infinite distances from the lens. So when our object is kept at focus, its highly enlarged real inverted image is formed at infinity by the convex lens. In the dark, the real inverted image being formed at infinity, that is on the wall, is seen something like this when our object is at f, that is the focus, and this is our image. Now our object is kept between f1 and O. O means optical center of the lens, and this is the position very near to the lens. In this situation, no real image will be formed. As we see that on the screen also, no real image is being formed. Only the light of the candle is being observed, but image is not being formed like in other cases, and only a virtual image will be obtained which cannot be taken on the screen.